Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about ID and classes. So let's see first ID. ID is a selector which is used to specify a style for single and unique element. The ID selector uses the ID attribute of HTML element and ID and style of ID defined with a hash. So let's define style for ID. Here we have created one HTML document which contains h1 element and text in h1 element and paragraph. We have given id to h1 is equal to head. Now I want to define style for this head id. So to define style for id, we have to write first hash, after that head id and curly braces. Now let's define style. I want to give color is equal to blue, text align is equal to center. Now let's run this document. We have used internal style sheet and now onwards in every example we will use internal style sheet. So let's run. We can see h1 tag contains the text in blue color and paragraph have no effect because we have only applied style to head tag which have id is equal to head. So id selector is used to give a style for particular one element which contains appropriate id. So no other element will be affected. Only id which contains head id only will be affected with this style. Now let's see class. Class selector is used to specify a style for a group of elements. Unlike the ID selector, the class selector is most often used on several elements. This allows you to set a particular style for many HTML elements with the same class. The class selector uses HTML class attribute and it is defined with a dot operator. So let's define a class. As I have told, dot operator is used. After dot operator, we have to write a class name. I am giving pair class name, and in curly braces I have to define the declaration of this particular class, and I am giving style here color to red, font size to 15. After declaring class, at a time of creation of tag, I have to write class attribute and I have to specify class from which class I want to apply my style to this particular tag. I want to use paragraph class which is a pair, and so this paragraph will now contain the style of this paragraph class. So let's see what will be the effect. Reload the document. We can see the color is changed and style which is defined in class is set. So this is about class and id, how we can set and how we can use id in class selector for our styling purpose. Thank you.